Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Rob with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number 2568C. Awesome running 2010 Yale GLP060VX. Sorry, excuse me. It's a 6,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. It's equipped with the 199-inch triple stage mast. Has side shift carriage, load backrest, 42-inch pallet forks. It's going to run on up for us. This unit does have solid pneumatic tires, never get a flat. As you can see, very tall up in the sky they will go. This unit has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. Full LED light package, ready for work. You can check it out online at abetterforklift.com or stop by out of store in Fort Collins, Commerce City, or Torrington, Wyoming. Thank you very much for watching.